In today's lesson, we will see how to copy one list in another list or how to do cloning of a list to make a duplicate for keeping as a copy. For this, I have written a few codes. I have two lists. One list is 482, 10, 15, 18 and the other list is list 2 in which I want to do cloning of list 1. For this, I have only li1. When I am going to run this, it will give me original list and the cloned list. This is one method of cloning. Then we have another method of cloning. We have list 1, we made list 2 and list 3. We will use extend method. We have extended list 1 in front of list 2. We stored it in list 3. List 2 was our empty list. We extended list 1 in it and stored in list 3. Now it has done cloning of those lists. This was the second method of copying any list in an empty list. In third method, we use the function of list to store one list in another list. If I am going to run this, it will give me as it is after cloning. Now is to run a loop. I have run a loop on list 1. It will take all the elements of list 1 and will store in list 3 for I in list 1. After taking first element of list 1, it will be placed in list 3. It will traverse full list. In this case also, it will return back a duplicate list. We can use any method of cloning according to our situation. In deep and shallow copy, it takes more time. In the next method, we did cloning with append method. After reading list 1, append in list 2. When we will print out, it has given us a cloned list. In the other method, we use copy function. We are copying list 1 in list 2. When I am going to run this, I will get a duplicate copy. Last two are shallow and deep copy. They are used in Python 3. Deep copy is slower than shallow copy. For this, we have to import a library of copy. All work has been done here. We only have to call the functions. This is shallow copy. That is list 1, original list. This is deep copy. Deep copy is a time-taking process. Shallow copying time is less. When I will run this, it will return the cloned copies of list. We learned how to copy one list in an empty or duplicate list.